chances here, and he won't care about team communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong, but his eyes are only on this red Ducati that we're on board with now. Will it be Dovi or will it be Marquez? Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front end, desperate to get in touch.
He can't do anything more. The kitchen sink and everything else has gone here for Marquez. He cannot do anything more. He's got to make sure he gets it.
Number 9, and Vizioso inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. What he has done it again. Inside the Marquez is where he needs to be. Just a half to go. Marquez out of the seat. Marquez. Big mistake as he came through turn number 8. He's not over yet. And Vizioso can close right up as they come through turn number 9.
Lucky man, Marquez, but he held on to it as he often does, and Vizioso was not able to take the advantage. Up towards the hairpin they come. Time is running out for the Ducati and Vizioso.
Inside the Marquez.
Final couple of corners coming up. Vizioso pulls out the slipstream. He's attacking up the inside of Marquez. Can he make it through? Vizioso leads in turn.
He's got through. He's through the tunnel. They're coming up towards the big curve.
Turn 12 right way to Vizioso. He bugged Marquez on the last lap in the Austria. Marquez comes through the final corner. Is he going to run wide? Is history repeating itself like in Austria?
Vizioso has done it here in Japan. His 5th victory of the season. The champion.
The second classic last lap showdown of the year between Vizioso and Marquez. And again it's Andrea Vizioso that reigns supreme. Massive moment in the 2017 MotoGP World Championship. We can just about catch our breath. Petrucci on the podium in 3rd place. Dragging over fifth. Jorge Lorenzo 6th. Vizioso, and again he gets the better of Marquez in the final lap showdown. 3 successive second place. This is, can he go one better? He's under serious pressure from the world champion.
Where there aren't any, it's Marquez, the world champion. Rossi's desperate for these two to engage. Inside the Marquez is where he needs to be.
Brilliant edge dip, he's so late on the brakes.
Running out of chances here, and he won't care about team communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong, but his eyes are only on this red Ducati that we're on board with now. Will it be Dovi or will it be Marquez? Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front end, desperate to get in touch.
He can't do anything more. The kitchen sink and everything else has gone here for Marquez. He cannot do anything more. He's got to make sure he gets in front of Andrea Vizioso. Going into that final couple of corners. Can he strike at turn 15? Not close enough through these right-handers. He tries to close up under Vizioso. He's going to go for it. You know Marquez is going to attack.
He's going to find a way somewhere. If it's 15 or if it's 16, it'll be one of those two corners that Marquez will bounce, and it's not turn 15.
It's not 15. He's close enough. Is he going to strike? Will it be a block pass to break up the Vizioso when he moves to the inside? Marquez. Here he comes in on the inside. It's the final corner. Qatar Grand Prix. The Vizioso's getting on the comeback. It's all about the horsepower shootout now.
It's a repeat of Japan. So in Japan of 2018, but what a race it was. Marquez finishes in second. He had to have a go, and he did. Rossi comes home in 3rd. A carbon copy of what we've seen before.
Epic last quarter showdown between Marquez and Andrea Vizioso in the last. Is that Vizioso as well? Vizioso on every occasion he has come out on top. Marquez is all There was nothing left in the tank from the reigning world champion as he fought to try and win that opening Grand Prix of the year. He misses out by just 200ths of a second. Finally, Andrea Dovizioso tastes victory here in Qatar in a MotoGP Grand Prix. Brilliant second place for Marquez. Cracking ride by Valentino Rossi in third. The top three covered by less than 8/10 of a second.
Onto the straight we go. Dovizioso then. He knows what Marquez has got over on that fourth and sector. Now they're breaking defensive line.
How good did Dovizioso get that? The caddy hook truck coming out the first corner. He was able to open up a good half a dozen wide oaks to Marquez. But Marquez, he's lethal. He's a thing on the brakes. He makes a move. Then set in the braking zone for turn number 3.
He won't have a go into turn 4. It's too fast, but he's got a great line through turn 4. And now we go into turn 5. Is he going to have a go? Yes, he is. And that's brilliantly done by Marquez. But he goes wide. Dovizioso comes back through. He's got the inside line again. But he closes the door on it. The two Yamahas all of a sudden close up on the pair of them.
Dovizioso had his nose well and truly right there by Marquez. That was super aggressive from Marquez. Vinales and Rossi, they're fighting it out for the last place in the podium. Are they still fighting it out for a victory? Dovizioso find anything. They sweep now through turn number 9. Just 3 corners left through turn number 10. Dovizioso is going to go back to that corner. He's come out with Marquez so many times. Here comes that Dovizioso. Dolby versus Marquez going into turn 12. Dolby. Marquez trying to get it tight.
What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Marquez, and he does to Dovizioso what Dovizioso did to him in Austria last year.
Sweet, sweet revenge then for Mark.